In today's video, I want to talk about why you need to be thinking like a true investor and not a gambler in order to be a profitable forex trader. Let me explain exactly what I mean right now. Hi traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today is Friday, the 11th of October 2013, and I want to talk about using some common sense around your trading. Think of your trading as an investor. It is an investment. Look, the money that I've got invested in my accounts here behind me, it's real money. There's a lot of money involved. It's no different to any other investment. It's no different to buying art or property or metals or vehicles or whatever it is that you invest in. Forex trading is exactly the same, and you need to have that mindset of an investor and not a gambler in order to be a profitable trader. I know that after 10 years of trading, I've never blown an account. I've always used very low risk trading, but there's lots of other things that I've developed that I can really help you with. So let's talk about them right now. You see, the last couple of weeks I've talked about on these videos and podcasts about having a suitable trading plan. Now, my trading plan may not suit you. It's what suits you that's important. It's the time of day that suits you to trade or night. It's the time frame. It's the length of, would you like to trade and be in and out of trades within a matter of minutes or hours or days or weeks? It's what suits you that's really important. The actual strategy and what I'm using here behind me will work on any time frame in any pair. That's not the issue. I can help you with that. The thing that you need to understand for yourself is what kind of person you are, what kind of trader you are, what suits you realistically. You see, you have to have realistic expectations, not only in terms of how much time you can dedicate to your trading and your learning of your trading, but also in terms of your returns. And what I mean by that is that there's so many traders, especially when you go through the forums, etc., and you read about the sales pitch of robots and people trying to sell you things, that they're all trying to make an absolute fortune, hundreds of percent per month or, or thousands of percent in a year. It's just rubbish. Don't believe it. It's not realistic. Yes, you could do it by risking huge amounts of your account and your capital, but again, that's not treating your trading like a true investor. It's gambling. So if you come back to the strategy and the philosophy that I teach and I use of very low risk trading. Now, I mean low risk trading by a maximum of 0.5% of your account per trade. Very low risk trading. It means that your emotions are controlled. It also means that, yes, your profits are not going to be astronomical, but you don't need them to be. If you look and work on, let's say, an average of somewhere between 1 and 2% gain on your account per week, that's a huge return. Now, to me, I'm more than happy with that. You put that across the course of a year, and without compounding, let's say 2% a week, without compounding, that's over 100% return per year. Now, that is pretty outstanding. When you look at the fund management companies, you look at the interest rates that banks and other investments around the world are paying, if you can achieve somewhere 50 to 100% return per year, I'm certain you are going to be very happy in a year from now. Almost guarantee it. If you're not, then you should be doing something else or you are gambling. Because to me, anywhere like 100% a year is just a fantastic return, considering your risk is very low. And that's the important part of it. It's all a risk to reward. Yes, you can risk 5% per trade. Go and do it, but see how long your account will last. I can guarantee it won't be very long. So that's why I come back to low risk per trading. Keep your emotions in control and trade what suits you. When it suits you, even the currency pairs that suit you, the time of day, the chart time frame that suits you. Have that in your plan. And also think of this. When trading, your trading plan doesn't work, don't just go throwing it out the window and chopping and changing and adding more indicators and optimizing and going back to the Forex forums and trying to find the latest, greatest Holy Grail system, EA, indicator, whatever it might be. Don't do that. It's almost certainly going to end in the same result, and that's it won't work. And again, I can tell you that from my own experience and from the experience of my clients who tell me they've done exactly the same thing. And everybody does go through that same cycle when you're learning to trade and you're always looking for that strategy, that Holy Grail strategy. Well, I'm here to tell you that hard work, sticking to a plan that suits you, and dedication are the things that turn your trading from being average to being exceptional. And so don't rely on a $97 robot to solve your life's financial problems. It's probably not going to happen. But there is certainly great money to be made from trading, but it's about doing the same thing consistently, looking for the same setup, the same pattern, doing it consistently. Don't go, oh, I can't be bothered to trade or today, or oh, I've had 2 weeks of not making money, therefore I'm going to change systems. And I get emails like that from time to time. I had an email just yesterday from a person that said, look, I've made nothing in 3 weeks, so I'm giving up on Forex. I'm going to find something else to do, or I need some other strategy. And it's like, well, 3 weeks is such a small time. If you go buying a house, for example, you can't expect that house let's say it was an investment property, a rental property, you can't expect that property to keep going up and up and up consistently every single week of the year. Even every year, it's just not going to happen. So why should Forex be any different? You are going to have losing trades, losing days, losing weeks, even losing months. It's going to happen. If you can't accept that, then you shouldn't be trading. So you need to think as an investor and have low risk throughout your trading. The other thing I just quickly want to mention at the end here is I've got some trades working really nicely behind me. I'm looking for Japanese yen weakness today. It's probably going to continue into Friday, and if that happens, then we're going to see some great trades. I've got a number of trades on here looking for that Japanese yen weakness to continue. I mentioned to my clients on about Wednesday, that there was a lot of indecision in the market and some potential reversal patterns showing a likely weakening of the Japanese yen. Now, Thursday and again today into Friday, that's showing through on the charts. So the candle patterns always show us well in advance of what is likely to happen. We're still waiting for the October non-farm payrolls, now over a week late. That is anticipated to be Tuesday, I believe, Monday or Tuesday of next week. So that's the latest news that I have. But with the government shutdown in the US, who knows what's going to happen. So keep your eye out on those fundamental news announcements and treat your trading as an investment, as you would any other investment. This is your money you're investing here. This is real money. Treat it as such. If you do, you'll make some fantastic returns from trading. That's all for now. This is Andrew Mitchem from the Forex Trading Coach. I'm here to help. If you need anything, just email me, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. Talk to you this time next week. Bye for now.